Hey everyone, welcome to the Win Again Clubroom. This technology is so amazing. Wait till you see how easy this is. Number one, make sure you hover over your profile there. If you go to the upper right of your screen, you'll see that there's a circle there with your letter in it. Go ahead and click on that and fill out the profile, which is just adding your picture, maybe adding a title and your company name. This way, if anybody hovers over your picture over your seat, they can see who you are and what you're all about. The other thing is that down below, you'll see there's a camera on and mic on. Make sure you always click on that to make sure it's green for go, because red means you're off and no one's going to be able to see or hear you. So we need to make sure that you're doing that. And then third of all, if you ever want to switch seats or switch tables, all you do is double click on any one of those tables and you can move around freely and easily. There's also all kinds of other great, amazing things to do on here. You can share screens with other people on your table. You can create whiteboards. You can add links, video, whatever it is. There's so much to do here. Enjoy, and the presentation will start soon. All the best.